This video is for Showdown in Ready to Rock book page 2 and 4. So starting on the first line, we notice that the left hand has chord shells. So the two notes in the left hand are C and G. So you have your thumb on G, pinky on C. So what that sounds like is just 4 whole notes straight across. Here goes the left hand. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so right hand rests when the left hand comes in. So right hand sounds like this. First I'm going to play it and then I'll talk you through it. Rest, 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 rest. Okay, so notice that there's one note that stays the same throughout each thing. We start with just a C, finger 1. We go to the next one, we still have a C with an extra note. Third, still a C. Fourth, still a C. So you're going to play your thumb the entire line. Okay, the only thing that changes is that on the second measure we add our second finger, and on the third line we add our third finger, except notice that it's on a flat. So I'll show you what that looks like. Instead of C, D, E, I'm going to have C, D, E flat. Okay, so we're going to play the first 3 measures. So the first one is rest 1, 1, rest 2, 2, rest 3, 3. Okay, so C and E flat. And then what happens on the very last measure is that we go back to finger 2. So C and D, C and D. So C, C, D and C, E flat C, D and C. Here's what it looks like all the way across. Rest 1, 1. Rest 2, 2. Rest 3, 3. Rest 2, 2. Okay, and then when we add the left hand in, rest 1, 1. Rest 2, 2. Rest 3, 3. Rest 2, 2. Okay, that's for that line. Now we're going to flip to the second page and go to measure 23. This one, you'll notice that the notes are very similar. In the left hand, we still have our chord shells all the way across, or C and G, every measure of this line. In the right hand, it starts very similar. Rest, C, C. Rest, C and D. Rest, E flat. So far it's the exact same as the first line that we played. Now going on, I want you to notice that this one is different. Instead of going back to 2, the notes get farther apart, or we're going to go up to F in the right hand, which is finger 4. So first, just finger numbers, then I'm going to sing it with letter names. Rest 1, 1. Rest 2, 2. Rest 3, 3. Rest 4, 4. Now with finger numbers, I'm only going to sing the top letter, letter names. I'm only going to sing the top letter because the bottom note, C, stays the same all the way across. So that stays while the top or the higher note changes. Rest C, C. Rest D, D. Rest E flat. Rest F, F. Okay. And then with the left hand in, so we're stepping all the way up, and when we look at the last line, now we're playing C and G in both hands. So C in the left, C in the right, also with G in the left and G in the right. So you're going to play your thumb and pinky for both of those notes. Notice measure 27, 28, and 29, all 3 are the exact same notes, C and G. The only thing that's different is the rhythm. So here we play for 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of picking up and playing again for these 4 beats, just put a little mark through them because this is called a tie, which means we're going to hold for the value of those. So we're going to hold for 4 more beats. And then we're going to play for 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. 1. Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tie. 2, 3, 4. 1. And we're going to put a little accent on the last note, which is this symbol here. And that shows that we're going to play it louder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tie. 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay. Here is the very last 2 lines. You won't see the music, but you'll hear it all the way through. 1, 2, ready, and. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, this time let's talk through the finger numbers. Left 1, 1, left 2, 2, left 3, 3, left 4, 4, chord shell, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the right hand note is stepping up. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. One more time, play with me this time. We're going to do it 2 times, once slow, then once a little faster. Here's our beat for the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Here we go. Left 1, 1, left 2, 2. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Very good. A little faster this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Ready, play. Left. Nice job. That's it for today.